Think about how important your tablet is to you. It literally has your entire life on it. Internet, email, pictures, books, movies, etc. This is why it is so important to find the right case to protect your device. And that is why we created the Solo Universal Fit Tablet Case. Unlike other brand-specific cases on the market that simply just hold a tablet or e-reader in a flimsy tray, the Solo Universal Fit Tablet Case features one of the most secure fits on the market today. The elastic bands stretch and retract, causing the tension-fit corner clips to hug the device to ensure a continuous snug grip. This will prevent your tablet or e-reader from ever falling out and possibly getting damaged. Try doing this with other cases on the market today. This revolutionary patent-pending product is designed and engineered to hold and protect virtually all brands of tablets or e-readers. The Solo Universal Tablet Case is perfect, as you will only have to buy one case no matter what tablet you use. Several Solo Universal Fit cases also feature a swivel mount back with 360-degree rotation and easel stand wedges to hold the tablet or e-reader stable at any angle. The Solo Universal Fit Tablet Case is the only case you will ever need to protect your most valuable asset.